Hey guys, it's Polo D3 here, and I'm going to be comparing the fastest car in the game and the slowest car in the game. Let's check which one has a worse stats. So it turns out it was a Pontiac Aztec, I think that's what it's called. So I'm gonna do highway and circuit, and then I'm going to do those two races again, but in the fastest car in the game. So right now I can tell this is very slow. Very slow. And so we finished the highway race in 1 minute and 14 seconds. Now I'm gonna go do circuit. Now, as you can see, it's a very trash acceleration. It takes so long for it to reach its max, which is literally not that good. Now I'm just gonna do time lapse from here again. Alright, finally I finished. Even the AI beat me. Now, finally, time to use a fast car. Now first, you do highway. So we definitely beat the cheapest, slowest car in the game. So now we're gonna do circuit. Now I'm gonna time lapse this again, since circuit isn't always the fastest. Alright, finished the race. Now we're gonna compare times. Alright, so here is the time of the slowest car, cheapest car, and here is the time of the fastest car. Now you can see a pretty big difference, which is expected. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.